until you reach the bottom of the stairs. Welcome to Main Street Station, your gateway for Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, Downtown Disney, Park Exit, and more. If you're here for the Christmas Medicine Parade, it's going to stop right here on Main Street at 5 o'clock, and that'll be the last showing of the day as well. Please remain seated and wait till we come to a full stop before exiting to Main Street.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there, literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station, New Orleans Square.
That makes sense because you had the
This is New Orleans Square Station. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. This is your stop for Adventureland, Frontierland, Critter Country, New Orleans Square, and your closest stop to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Once again, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
Look back to close. No, we'll be done in the morning.
That's bandage trees. Look at that.
For those of you joining us, welcome aboard Holiday 4 on the Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keeping your hands on seat and legs beside the train at all times. And parents, please supervise your children, making sure they're sitting all the way down on a lap away from the train opening. Our next stop is Toontown Depot. Once again, we ask all little ones to sit in complete seat on the bottom. Hi friends, all little ones must be sitting down. Thank you.
Oh, yes, you are.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only Laugh-In Place. If you look real hard, you just might find it. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity-doo-dah day. passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures.
Once again, out of everyone's safety, I do need everyone to be fully and completely seated while the train is in motion. Thank you.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the trip.
Once again, please remain seated at all times while the train is in motion.
I can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Our transition from the frontier to another kind of ear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully.
This is Toontown Depot, your gateway to Fantasyland. Please remain seated so the train comes 6 feet tall. It's really complimentary, it's a small world, offset, Peter Pan's flight, Big Arctic Carousel, and many more. You can also watch the 5 o'clock Christmas Fantasy Parade anywhere next to It's a Small World or right next to it. Alrighty folks, if you're here for Fantasyland, you're more than welcome to exit the train at this time. For those of you staying on board, please slide all the way down towards the end of the road, since we do have quite a large... For those of you joining us, welcome aboard Holiday 4 on the Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs tight. The train at all times, and please supervise your children, making sure they're sitting away from the train opening. Our next stop is Tomorrowland.
تعال متوتر يا بتاع الترتيب انت ستوبر ولا تنجح دخلنا 2 minutes والله اتوقع دخلنا 5 minutes عادي.
Hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Okay, you don't want to wait.
Amazing. It's amazing.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star steamers, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest...
This is Tomorrowland Station. Please remain seated until the train comes to complete stop. This is stop for Space Mountain, Star Tours, Astro Orbiter, Buzz Lightyear's Asset Blasting, the monorail, Autopia, and Finding Nemo's submarine voyage. That is my bad, Kristen. I couldn't do that. That is my bad. I was away from it. For those who are joining us, welcome aboard the Holiday Tour on Disneyland Railroad. Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs touched train at all times. Please provide your soldiers, making sure they're sitting away from the train opening. Our next stop is Mission Station. So before we get there, we'll take a quick trip through the Grand Canyon. Let's try inside the tunnel. Just make sure there's no video lighting or flash photography.
Brenda.
Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
This is Main Street Station. Please remain seated so the train comes to a complete stop. As a friendly reminder, Main Street only has stairs, no elevators or ramps. So if you have a wheelchair or stroller, just make sure to pull it to get to the bottom.